I was sitting there having a second cup of coffee the other day, and I was thinking about the fact that I say I've been in network marketing 25 years. That's because our mind does really interesting things with memories. Actually, I spent 5 years failing in network marketing, so it's really 30-year total. And in that 30 years, I found something out very early in network marketing that made a massive difference in our business. It put us inside our dream. Aloha from beautiful Kauai, Hawaii. We're down in the backyard here today, and it's wet. The ocean is angry today, my friend. Anyway, so what did I discover? Well, what we discovered, myself and my wife, the fabulous Davine, is that December is the best recruiting month of the year. Now I'm going to circle back to this in a couple of minutes. This is really important. You see, what you do in December is really going to be the indicator of what happens in the first quarter. And what happens in the first quarter of 2019 is really going to dictate pretty much what happens for the rest of the year. So there's two types of people. There's the type of people that'll stop working around the middle of November. They'll clean a few things up, and they'll talk to a few distributors in December, and then they'll stop working. And then there's the people that understand what I'm about to share next already, or they learn it for the first time and they realize, man, December's the best month of the year. Think about those people that pack it in around November 15th. What do they do in the second week in January? They're trying to get people re-engaged. And maybe by the third or fourth week, they get about 60% of their team back, which means what? From the middle of November to the middle of February, when they're finally rolling again, they lost 2 months. 2 months. Give yourself an edge. Why is December the best recruiting month of the year? Well, it's simple. Can you think of any time during the course of the year where you have less money than you would like to have to do the things you'd like to do and less time? And what are we offering people? More time and more money. Now, this is an actual fact. Every single December from 1994 on was our best recruiting month. And every single December, we broke the record the year before. Now think about the long-term effect of this. People that we brought in December, they didn't think December was a bad month. They thought it was a great month, and it totally shifted the momentum on our team. So here's the story. This is why people think that. They talk to 4 or 5 people and they say, see me after the holidays, see me after the holidays, see me after the holidays. And they believe what? They believe the prospects. They believe that that's actually true. So they stop working, and that spreads on your team, and everybody stops working. The truth is, the same percentage of people will come to the table, and if you grab some of our skills, about 80 to 90% will say yes, and you can recruit them rejection-free. You already know that. If you haven't been on our site, hit the link up there that says more skills. You'll learn how to get people to say yes in less than 7 seconds. But the point is, the closing ratio of people that enroll in December is off the charts. Why? They're sick and tired of another December when they thought things were going to be different. So make December your best month. Now, you probably need a little bit more knowledge. So what we've done to thank our regular readers and to welcome our new readers is we put together a summit that explains how we went from debt and desperation and bankruptcy in Boston to peace, prosperity, and beachfront here in Kauai. It was actually out of a book called The Success System That Never Fails by W. Clement Stone. Stone made Hill famous. Hill was nothing about Think and Grow Rich until he met Stone. Well, as it turns out, there's 6 behaviors. So when I rediscovered that, I started to put them in play, and I started observing different networkers that had the life and income that I wanted. Not just the income, but they were enjoying their lives. And you know what I found out? They were all working the same 6 behaviors. So I talked to a lot of these people that I've known for 10, 15, 20 years, people that helped me take those 6 ideas in Think and Grow Rich and the Success System That Never Fails, and they taught me exactly how they apply in network marketing, either by their example or personal instruction. Now this group of 26 people decided to get together and give everybody something. See, great successful people have something in common besides the 6 things they do to build their business. What's that thing they have in common? Contribution. They love contributing. So as a personal favor to myself and my wife, they got together and we put together a summit that'll teach you the 6 behaviors. About 4 or 5 of them each day are going to go into a deep dive of the 6 behaviors that'll build you into a superhero in your company, but more importantly in your life with your team. So grab a free ticket. It's free. See, I'll tell you a little secret. They're sick and tired of seeing people getting ripped off by all these membership sites and join and you'll break pin levels or come to this live event. This is something you can see right in your own home. So we want you to get this. It's a 6-day summit plus an orientation day. So in 1 week before Thanksgiving, you'll be able to learn everything you need to learn from people that made over $100 million. Not way back when. They're earning right now, and they wanted to give something back to the community, a Christmas present for myself, the fabulous Davine, my wife, and these 26 remarkable, incredibly successful people that don't have anything for sale. They just want to give back. So grab a free ticket and copy their example. Contribute. When you get there and grab your ticket, share it with your teammates, share it with other network marketers, because a rising tide raises all ships. Because if you'll do, you'll learn in November what you need to learn to make December your best month. And you'll hit January with momentum, have a fabulous first quarter, and 2019 is not only your breakout year, you'll become a superhero and you'll be in your own personal Kauai. Peace be the journey. Leave me a comment down below, share the summit. We love you, we want you to be successful. Peace out.